Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha and today in this video we will learn to make this beautiful painting. For this I am using 300 GSM A4 size watercolor sheet. I have cut the sheet in 8 by 8 inches. First I have drawn border with gel pen. Use only a waterproof gel pen. First we will draw with pencil. So here I am going to draw reindeer image. Around the reindeer, we will add some flowers and leaves. To do outline, I will use Artline Drawing System pen. 0.8 point pen I will use here to do outline. If you don't have these pens and don't want to buy, no worries, you can use normal gel pen, but your gel pen should be waterproof. Draw the border like this. To add more detailing work, I will use 0.3 point pen. Here in border we will add lining. Now do double outline. In this way we will add double outline. Here we will add lining pattern in this double outline. Similarly, we will add double line in flowers and leaves too. Here we will add some more leaves in this way. I have directly done this step with pen. If you want, you can do it with pencil first, then do outline. But erase the pencil marks after outline. Do not miss this step. Pattern in reindeer. Just draw small circles as pattern in reindeer. Sketching part is complete. Now it's time to color. To color this drawing I am using brush pens. So first I am telling you how to color border. Red color in flowers and same red color in reindeer pattern. Color the leaves and grass with light green and dark green shades. And here we will use light brown color. and add this blue color in background. Have some patience with coloring part, especially with blue color. Complete the border in this way. Now I am going to use this white pen to highlight leaves. All the material links are provided in description box. So in this way we will highlight the leaves. And you know guys, this step is going to change the complete look of your painting. So don't miss this step. And this is the final look of this painting. You can get it framed and decorate your walls. Hope you like this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.